Hello everyone! This is me again, Dana, your Millennial Mom PH. If you are new to this channel, welcome. In today's video, I will be sharing to you how I will organize my fashion accessories the girly way. All I have is 4 easy steps to follow. Are you ready? Last week, I did an unboxing of my Shopee haul, and one of the items that I got from Mila Beauty is this one. Yes! This pink jewelry box from Mila Beauty. If you are interested in this item, I will link it down below in the description box. And aside from pink, they also have purple, white, nude or cream color, and black. So all in all, they have 5 varieties of color for this cute jewelry box. And now I will be using it to store and organize my fashion accessories. Okay, so keep on watching.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのモード噂の Dreaming Girl 忘れないででも気持ちは伝えてしまえばいつかこの夢は覚めてしまうだろうな青い影が揺れる
we go, we are already done organizing our fashion accessories in this pink jewelry box. I hope that I shared with you simple and important things that we can follow in organizing our fashion accessories. All you have to follow is those 4 easy steps. The first one is to collect all your fashion accessories and put it in one place. The second one is to sort according to its type and according to its kind. The third one is to start organizing them in your container, in your jewelry box, or in anything that you have in your place. Store your fashion accessories or jewelries. And the fourth one is to sustain or maintain the orderliness of your fashion accessories that you organize. Okay, so after use, you return them on its proper place so that on the next time that you will be using it, it's there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my organizing video tutorial. I hope that I shared with you valuable insights or tips in doing the same in your fashion accessories. Thank you for taking your time in visiting my channel and in watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please click the like button, and guys, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you will be updated with my next uploads. Thank you so much, and goodbye everyone. See you on my next vlog.